What's going on, you guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day in the Lord, and I am super excited to be here today to give y'all something that's going to encourage you to be a better you. This is what it's all about, becoming a better you, a better person. And the problem that we have today is that we're too busy trying to be perfect, and God is saying you don't have to be because I already know that you aren't. And if God knows that you're not perfect, then you got to stop trying to make yourself seem perfect to other people. This is the problem. We want to prove to people so bad that we're doing good. We want to show off. We want to act like everything is great. At the end of the day, it's not. And God is saying it's okay, because the way that I was able to discover who God was going to God saying, Lord, there's a lot wrong with me. And you know what? Sometime I had to look in that mirror, and I had to look at myself in that mirror, and I had to say, Lord, whatever it is about me, fix me, because I need your help in it. And he showed me that a lot of the things that was wrong with me was because I was too busy trying to be perfect. And what I will tell you is that when you stop trying to be perfect to prove things to people, then you would realize that, you know what? Your life is going to be so much better. And so, as you're becoming a better you, you have to understand it's not about you being perfect. No, the changes that you're making to be better with the Lord is what's going to bring you to the top. That's where elevation comes from. I'm going to try to rise above the mistakes and understand that even if I make a mistake, it doesn't mean that I'm not worthy. It just means I'm a work in progress. And so, if we go with that attitude of knowing that, you know what, I will never be perfect, but you know what, God is working on me, and I will continue to keep fighting for this relationship that I have with him so that I can truly become the person that I need to be. I had to learn that even though I had a lot of problems, even though still today I may not have it figured out, because perfection is just not normal. God is saying there's only one perfect person, and that's him. He died on the cross for our sins. God the Father in heaven created the heavens and the earth. He is the only perfect one. And so I want you to understand, stop trying to hold yourself to this high standard, like you don't have the right to make mistakes, because in that case, then you're putting yourself in a position to be God. And we all know that that's a hard job, and we all know that none of us can do it. Only one person could do that. And so that's why I'm really honored to share this word with you guys today, because I know that when we're working on becoming better people and we're trying to change our lifestyle, we're trying to be better for God. This is the one thing you have to remember starting out the gate. You have to remember that, look, I'm not perfect. So as you're going through this journey, you're not so hard on yourself to try to do the best you can, even when you fail. And the reason why a lot of people give up on life, the reason why they give up on their dreams, is because they're trying too hard to be perfect. And I promise you, if you just focus on the plan and you listen to God, you go to him first for all your information, you pray, you ask God to be behind everything that you're doing, he will truly help you succeed. And so then you would discover that whenever you're doing things, it's just going to be natural because God is in it. He's got to be the first. And this is how we become better for Christ. So I hope this tip can help you become a better person and strive for excellence. Okay. So with that said, I'll see you guys later.